In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove billing address from Shopify Checkout 2025. If you want to speed up checkout and reduce friction, hiding the separate billing address field is a great move. This is especially useful if you sell low-risk or digital products, or if you simply want customers to pay with fewer fields. Just a quick note before we start. Some payment gateways and fraud tools may still verify address information behind the scenes. If your gateway requires it, the option to fully remove billing details might be limited. With that in mind, let's walk through the exact changes you can make in the Shopify admin. First, open your Shopify admin and sign into your store. You'll land on the main dashboard. From there, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where all your store-wide controls live, including checkout behavior. Next, choose Checkout, or it may appear as Checkout and Accounts depending on your admin view. This section controls the form fields customers see, as well as what's optional or required during checkout. Now, scroll to the area that manages address collection or billing address preferences. You'll see an option related to collecting a separate billing address. Click the highlighted control to disable, or set it to Don't Collect. In many stores, this looks like a radio button or toggle that lets you use the shipping address as the billing address by default, removing the extra billing address form from the customer's view. If there's a secondary option highlighted, select that as well to reinforce the change. For example, you might see a choice that further confirms you won't collect a separate billing address for most orders. Make sure both highlighted controls align with your goal of hiding the billing address form. Once you've made the adjustments, save your changes. Look for the Save button at the top or bottom of the page and click it to apply the new checkout settings. A few quick tips to finish up. I recommend testing your checkout in a private browser window to confirm that customers only see the fields you expect. If you use a third-party payment gateway, check that provider's documentation to ensure disabling billing address collection won't interfere with approvals or fraud checks. And remember, you can always return to the same settings page to re-enable billing address collection if your products, regions, or compliance needs change. That's it. You've removed the billing address from your Shopify checkout and streamlined the purchase flow. Save your settings, test the experience,